In this video, I'm going to show you how to record an electromyogram or an EMG using the BioPack and a grip dynamometer. The first thing you'll need to do is place 3 electrodes on each forearm. I have a white electrode 1, a red electrode 2, and then the black is a ground. On my other forearm, I've shown you how electrode 1 leads to electrode 2, and then the BioPack will measure the difference in electrical activity between electrode 1 and electrode 2 to give us positive and negative values with millivolts as our unit. And for further explanation of that, see the EMG lecture that I have posted in this playlist. So the first thing we'll need to do is calibrate the machine. So I go to calibrate, I'm going to wait 2 seconds, squeeze, release, and that's our calibration. Now I'll proceed, and then I'll hit 20, 40, 60, and 80 pounds as my target forces measured using the grip dynamometer. Then I'll max with my dominant forearm, switch the electrodes to the non-dominant forearm, and then hit my 4 targets, collect a max, and then fill out this table. So we'll continue. I will record, bring back the video. So the first is 20, 40, 60, 80, and now I'll max. Now I can suspend, switch to the non-dominant forearm, and do the exact same thing. So place the ground, electrode 1, and electrode 2. Be sure that you keep them in the same orientation so that you collect your data properly. Now I will continue, record, bring back the video, and we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, and then a max. Now we suspend one more time, stop, we're done with that, done, and now we want to analyze this current data file. Okay, so now we have the data, and where this black diamond is where the non-dominant arm recordings began. So here I have my cursor tool, 20, 40, 60, 80, max, 20, 40, 60, 80, and max. So now what I need to do is set up my channels. So I need channel 1 in the peak to peak, and I need channel 40 in a mean. So I'll highlight my 20 pounds in the dominant arm, and my peak to peak is 1.2 millivolts. So here, 1.2. And on channel 40, it was 0.14. 0.14. Now for my non-dominant forearm, 20 pounds, I have 1.2 and 0.1. Now I'll collect the 80. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80. Now I have 4 and 0.38. 0.38. Non-dominant at 80, I have 3.0 and 0.28. Now for my tonus, I can pick any of these segments that are between clinch efforts. So I'll go ahead and take this one. I'll take 0.27, and then the mean is 0.03. 0.27 and 0.03. And then in the non-dominant forearm, I'll just take this area, 0.17, 0.02. 0.17, 0.02.